Hello. Today Anna leaves the Airbnb and moves in with her aunt. Anna's 2 weeks in the Airbnb were over. She packed her suitcase and walked outside. She had already visited her aunt earlier in the week, so the house wasn't completely new. But today felt different. This time, she was going to stay there. She felt excited, but also a little nervous. At 11 o'clock, her aunt arrived in her small blue car. "Hello, love. Ready to go?" she asked with a warm smile. Anna smiled back. "Yes, I'm ready." They put the heavy suitcase in the boot of the car and started driving to her aunt's house in Didsbury. On the way, they got stuck in heavy traffic. The cars moved very slowly. Anna stayed quiet and looked out of the window. After some time, she started to feel worried again. England still felt very new to her. Her aunt noticed this and turned on some soft music. "Don't worry so much," she said kindly. "Everything will be fine. Your family." Anna relaxed a little and smiled. They talked about Anna's life in Spain, the weather in Manchester, and her plans for the future. After a while, the traffic finally started moving again. When they arrived, Anna looked at the quiet street with its small gardens and tall trees. She liked the area immediately. Inside the house, her aunt carried one side of the suitcase while Anna carried the other. Then she showed Anna her new room. It was small but bright and comfortable. There was a bed near the window, a small desk, and a lamp beside the bed. Anna sat down and looked around the room quietly. Her aunt returned a few minutes later with a cup of tea. "This is your home now," she said gently. "You can relax here." Anna suddenly felt emotional. She was tired after the journey, but she also felt safe and happy. She was no longer alone in a new country. She was with family, and that felt really good. Let's start with vocabulary now. The first word is packed, and that means to put things into a bag or suitcase. Then we have boot. That's the back part of a car for bags. Traffic means many cars on the road. And worried means feeling unhappy because of a problem. Last one, relax. That means to rest and feel calm. The question for today is, what problem did they have on the way? Was it A, they got lost, B, they got stuck in heavy traffic, or C, the suitcase was too big? The correct answer is B, they got stuck in heavy traffic. If you enjoyed the story, listen again and try shadowing with Anna. See you next time.